Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Neeru Style Corner. Before starting this video, I want to know how many of you discard or throw away the orange and lemon peel on daily basis. If you are one of them, then keep watching this video so that you will know the benefits of orange and lemon peels on your skin. And next time you will think twice before you throw it. Today we are going to see how to make orange and lemon peel powder easily at home. Yes, at home. So let's get into the video. I have stored these orange and lemon peel and let them dry under the sunlight. When they have completely dried, I have made sure that it's clean and free from dust. Let me tell you that orange and lemon are rich in vitamin C and they both help to remove tan and dark spots on your skin. It also helps in reducing acne on your skin and blemishes. Yes, since we are preparing this at home and everything is natural in this process, it will be free from chemicals. So, let's start the process. After making sure that there is no dust particles in the peels, add them to a grinder. Before that, make sure you make small pieces of them and then add it to the jar, as I have, otherwise it might be little difficult in the jar to grind. After you have made the powder, dry it on a newspaper or a plate before storing it into a jar so that there is no moisture in it and you can use it for many masks. And yes, before you grind and peel, please check if the jar is dry so that there is no water drops and it might spoil the powder after few days if there is water in the jar. So yes, we have our homemade orange and lemon peel powder ready to use, and now you can add this to your DIY home packs and masks so that you can get results. You will get results in one use itself. Before washing your face after applying this mask, gently scrub it and you can see the results, as it also acts as a scrub. So yes, that's it for this video. In my next video, I will surely show you how to use this particular orange and lemon peel in your DIY face packs. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more DIY videos. Until my next video, bye.